to buy a bench.
For $7. These remind me of New York.
I'm surprised I don't see any seagulls. Just that one.
My grandfather came through the Ellis Island from
I've
Italy.
seen through those when my father we'd all have to go to
1910.
the Kennedy Airport to pick up family members from Puerto Rico. You don't have to do that anymore. They go to Bradley Airport now. But back in the 60s and 70s, you had to go to New York to pick up family members. And I remember he had me look through one of those. Sitting in the car forever from Connecticut to New York.
I used to, back in the day, walk barefoot on the broadwalk and get slivers. Remember slivers? Flip-flops.
For some reason, that's a gym over there. I don't know what a gym is doing at the beach, but something like that. I don't understand it, but there's a gym.
Got a seagull singing. Looking for food. I don't have anything for them. I didn't think of it. Nothing they left in the car. I thought they left the battery in the house.
Got a lot of old pictures of being at Ocean Beach. Videos and pictures.
Let's go back to the
Finished my
seagulls.
tour.
Last
These
time
are
I
all
came, we had a lot
rides,
of
carnival
geese.
rides. They're closed.
And I went right in through them, but
winter, of course.
I thought I had the camera going. Now I fixed it so it's
Last time,
timed.
one of the times I was here with
And then I
Melissa
know it's
before we
on
went
because
to
it'll be.
Mystic Pizza, we were all right there, that spot where the car is, a little further down, feeding the seagulls with Sapo.
Hi, Great Pumpkin.
If you remember that clip.
Let's go mess with them. I wish I had something for them. I saw